Let's in the meantime get you a big breaking development that is now coming in 24 hours after stepping down as the Chief Minister. Arvind Kejriwal will be leaving the CM's residence. That is the civil line's official residence that is allotted to the Delhi Chief Minister. And a lot of controversy that had happened over the said residence, and over that what we are getting to know that with the remainder of the term that Atishi soon will be taking oath as the next Delhi Chief Minister. Arvind Kejriwal will not be using all of the amenities, the facilities that are given to a Chief Minister, the powers that are given. And of course, when it comes to the residence, he will have to vacate the same residence. So here is right after the kursi which he is already vacated. Will it be Sheesh Mahal next? Yes, it seems, as far as news reports that are coming in, that Arvind Kejriwal will be now vacating the CM's residence. We have Tetri and Mohit joining us live right now. Tetri, good morning. Mohit, to you as well. Tetri, the news coming in. Kursi has been vacated. The residence would now be next. That will be vacated by Arvind Kejriwal.
Well, yes, now what we are getting to know is that, in fact, not only the residence in which he lives, but also all the government facilities as a sitting Chief Minister he used to get, that also he will be give up. And in fact, it is also certainly a protocol that when you resign from the post of Chief Minister, or that when you're no more the Chief Minister of a particular state, then automatically the facilities, the government facilities that are provided to you, that are automatically withdrawn according to the procedure and the law. But yes, next what for Arvind Kejriwal, as of now there is no certainty, and the timing or the dates are not confirmed so as to when Arvind Kejriwal will be vacating his residence that is located at Civil Lines. So yes, it is for sure that what we are expecting is that in 15 days of time is what our party sources have told, that the timeline is approximately 15 days when Arvind Kejriwal along with his family will be vacating his residence from Civil Lines, and then will be moving somewhere else. Now what will be that new location, when he will be moving out, that is as of now not confirmed yet. But yes, he will be leaving, or he will be giving up all the government facilities that he used to get as the sitting Chief Minister. Now he is an outgoing Chief Minister, and it will also be interesting to see that where the current CM designate Atishi will be staying. So these all developments will be very interesting in the next coming week. We'll be in fact getting to know so as to where will the CM designate Atishi will be staying, and where the outgoing Chief Minister.
Let's take that question to Mohit now, because Mohit, as far as the Sheesh Mahal campaign is concerned, it seems that it has just hit home. As far as a lot of controversy that was surrounding it, questions that were raised, what happened at the time when the people of Delhi were suffering because of COVID, and here that was renovation amounting to lakhs of rupees that was taking place. A lot of controversy had surrounded Arvind Kejriwal back then. We are looking at probably the series of impact that has now taken place in the last few days ever since that he was granted conditional bail by the Supreme Court.
Well, yes, in fact, Amita, and the BJP has been saying this, that finally Arvind Kejriwal will be leaving Sheesh Mahal. Now, the BJP is also saying that Atishi, if and when she shifts to the her new house, that is the official residence of the Chief Minister of Delhi, which is being called Sheesh Mahal by the BJP, will she come out and give media a tour, or people of Delhi a tour of inside, that what exactly Arvind Kejriwal has changed inside, that how exactly the money of the taxpayers went into renovation of the Sheesh Mahal. So we know for a fact that as Teshri was reporting, that Arvind Kejriwal will be leaving his house, and but the sources say that that could happen before the Haryana election. So the message will go out that yes, people raise questions on Arvind Kejriwal, and hence he is vacating the house. He has also resigned from his post. So clearly the message is also about the political narrative, Amita. The narrative that the Aam Aadmi Party wants to give is that now the ball is in the people's court. And they have been saying this, and Arvind Kejriwal, while resigning, also said this, that he will go to the people of Delhi, he will ask for vote, and after that he will sit on the CM's chair if the people of Delhi will elect him again. Because what we are being told is that yes, there was some amount of anti-incumbency given the fact that how many of the Aam Aadmi Party leaders were in jail, and this has dented surely the image of the Aam Aadmi Party. So could counter that, it was a strategy of the Aam Aadmi Party to come out and say all these things, while the BJP clearly as of now says is that Atishi would be a puppet CM. So major allegations coming in by the BJP saying that Arvind Kejriwal
all right,
will
there
be
is the Aam Aadmi Party press briefing taking place, just getting that live updates.